Well, let me give you the grand tour. My little shop. This is 24 by 30, I think. And this is 10 pounds in a 10-pound sack. My buddy came over, we worked on Frankenstein. I built last year. This is a chainsaw modified to a circular saw. I need that for upcoming things. All the girls hanging out up there. I tore a whole bunch of things apart, reworking the stereo, a center speaker. Then I knew I needed lights, so I built these diffusers out of old oil barrels. I like that grunge. I like the cool aspect of using stuff. The laptop's uploading a video. The last 4 days, only got 70% loaded. Got the whole corner torn apart. This is the corner that holds the equalizer and amps back in here. This is look like a tornado ripped through here. I gotta start drinking my coffee and get all this crap. We added some lights back here for a backdrop. But I've been focused in on getting everything right in here. I kind of overthink a lot about stuff like this. The camera boom hanging up in there, I gotta finish. These lights are gonna come forward to the edge of the garage. I'm gonna rework and set my workbench right here. Those big lights over the top. Those are MacGyver redneck diffusers. And I don't think you can see them, but oh yeah, they got eyeballs on them. But it's getting there, guys. Hopefully I can get some of it done. It might be until 3 in the morning, but then I'll probably give up and crawl into that lazy boy and not even make it to bed. But pushing forward, trying to get this right. I'm kind of stuck on this right now of what I need to get done. I had a breaker go out, the power went out. I had to pull the freezer forward and reset a breaker and a GFI plug and a whole bunch of crap, but that threw a wrench in my day. But yeah, here's the world of trash and antiques and tools, and this is what I'm into. I love it, wouldn't change it. Building a circus for my YouTube channel I just started last month.